Happy birthday, girl. I hope you are doing great. And here I'm wishing you a very bright and glorious birthday filled with love. I hope you enjoy your day. Let the good time roll. Well, may Almighty blesses you with lots of love, luck, and laughter in the coming year. A very, very happy birthday, Kritika. Take care.
Happy birthday, Kritika. Happy birthday to you, जी. केक शेक है तो फिर
अच्छा मेरी अच्छा कृति ओह हाँ कृतिका का बर्थडे
हाँ यस
तो भूल ही गया कृतिका विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी
Happy
बर्थडे
birthday.
टू यू अभी तो तू सस्ते में कट गई है क्योंकि अभी तो पार्टी वार्टी तो पता नहीं क्या होगा बट यू कैन
We are gonna meet up
Yeah.
after this lockdown.
Yes.
If not meet up, we definitely gonna travel all the way to Valsad and gonna get a party treat from you. And you make sure you make a special arrangements for us for sure, please, because that is
Special.
gonna be a birthday treat. So, anyway, which wishing you luck.
wishing you a very very happy birthday Kritika and enjoy your time.
Enjoy the time in this lockdown and enjoy your lockdown birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे
Hi Kritika, I hope you're doing well. I wish you a very happy birthday and a great year ahead. Have fun, take care.
To wish you a very happy birthday and wish you lots of success, lots of happiness, lots of love and lots of cake this year and every year. Hope you enjoy your day with your family and enjoy your next year's birthday with your good too. Bye bye, have a great day.
Hi Kay, hope you're doing well and holistically healthy. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday on a special day. This is going to be a very special year for you today, since you're going to spend time with your family, except Guddu. I really hope all your dreams come true and hope you enjoy your day today. Take care, be safe, be healthy, enjoy your time for today.
Happy birthday, Kritika. Have a wonderful day ahead and good luck to your goals for next year.
Hi crew! Wish you a very very happy birthday. All the love from Bombay. I'm sure you're having a very happy day with your parents and the fam jam. All our dancing and singing shenanigans that are overdue, we will make it up when things open up. Be your usual bubbly glass of champagne kind of person, and I hope to see you really soon. Wish you a very very happy birthday again. Mwah.
Happy birthday, trashy but classy friend. May you have all the alcohol in the world. May you get to travel to every single country in the world, and may you bring all kind of gifts for me, and I get to steal your wines also. But have fun. I know it's not the kind of a birthday that anyone would want, but we'll party after this. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Kritika.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kritika. Happy birthday to you. Hey babe, wish you a very happy birthday. Always stay the way you are. Always spread love, laughter, and smile wherever you go, the way you always do. Wish you a fabulous birthday. Hope to see you soon. Mwah.
Hey Kritika, wish you a very very happy birthday. A virus free hug from the soul of. Miss you so much, love.
Hi. So, I was thinking what message to record and send you. I guess I should do something which you love doing. And as all your friends know that you love working out, because all you think about is workout nowadays. So, the best way is do what you love doing. happy birthday, crew, and have a lovely year. I know because of the lockdown you haven't been able to do your second best or second favorite activity, that is traveling, and especially with me. So here's to a lot of more traveling with me, and maybe more of double dating. Okay, anyways, on a serious note, happy birthday, crew. Have a lovely life, and I am missing you so much.
Hi Kritika, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. Let's work out more together. Hopefully हम दोनों का टमी कब फ्लैट हो जाएगा ये साल. Let's plan something post lockdown. तेरा birthday celebration तो बनता है. चलो, have a great day. Love you so much. Bye.
Hi Kritika Maushi, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. May you have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Kritika, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful time and a great year ahead. Keep smiling, keep rocking. Cheers.
Hey Kritika, my friend. Many happy returns of the day. Keep rocking, keep smiling. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Kritika. Hopefully we will meet in 2021 and we will celebrate it. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a super day.
Happy birthday, Kritika. May you have a great year, and please wish that this coronavirus thing goes away quickly. Happy birthday once again.
Auntie, do shaky shaky.
Happy birthday.
Shaky 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 shaky. Shaky 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 shaky. Okay, say auntie have fun.
Auntie have fun.
Yeah. Yes, Kritika auntie, happy birthday to you and wishes all the way from Mumbai to Valsad. सोचा नहीं था कि जून वालों को भी quarantine celebrate करना पड़ेगा birthday, but that's how it is now. So I'm sure you're with family, you're having great fun. Family must be so happy that you're with them after so long. I think last year tu parents के साथ dinner पे थी when I had called you up quite late and you were so happy that हाँ family के साथ dinner कर रही हूँ birthday पे, you know, because इतना self deprived रहती है family time से. So I'm so happy for you and बस तू बिंदास रहे. अपन will meet soon. You be the same, Kritika. केक खाना हाँ प्लीज़, ऐसा मत बोलना फैट लग रही हूँ, मेरा एक्सरसाइज नहीं हुआ. तू अपना योगा कमिटमेंट वैसा ही रख एंड बी दैट बिंदास कृतिका दैट यू आर. वो जब भी मेट का डायलॉग है ना, गीत बोलने के पहले एक बार सोच तो लिया कर. दैट्स व्हाट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ यू एंड जस्ट हैव अ ग्रेट डे. हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैव फन एंड विल मीट सून. बाय मेरी से, बाय
बाय.
Hi! Surprise! Happy birthday! Nothing's changed. Your team still loves you. They reached out to me to say a few words. I still love you. I hope you're doing great. More power to you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing everything right. Lots of love. Lots of power to you, my girl. Keep going. Life is crazy, but so are we. So we're gonna keep doing what we do right? I love you. Take care of yourself. Have a really good one. Wish you all the love and luck in the world. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kritika.
Hi Kritika, a very happy new year to you. Oh, looks like a copy error. Happy Holi, happy Diwali and a great new year ahead. Have a lovely year ahead, dear. Wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless.
Hi group, जन्म दिवस की शुभकामनाएं. Wish you an outstanding and fabulous birthday.
Surprise! Wish you a very happy birthday, Kritika. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Kritika. Have a lovely day and a wonderful year ahead. I love you and miss you so much. Bye.
Hi Kritika, happy birthday. Wish you good health, happiness and success always. Stay blessed and take care.
Hi, happy birthday crew. What's up? So हाँ अब तो यार सही है. पता ही नहीं ये साल कहाँ गया है. Like I think my birthday April also went in lockdown. Now we are in June. So yeah, crazy man. 2020 is crazy. And so are you, my girl. And I was just thinking about, I think, the countless memories. And you know, before making this video, so I can't even like pin down on one. But if I think about it, like over 5 years, we have seen all the phases of each other. You know, the highs, the lows, the heartbreaks, the crying, the having crazy amount of fun, the, you know, like taking advice from each other. So yeah, I think over 5 years we have become like sisters rather than just roommates. And let's see now where life takes us to the next, you know, the next step. Like hopefully after 2020 and this horrible coronavirus is like over. And yeah, I mean, I hope you have a really, really great day. And I'm really happy that, you know, that we had our 5 years together, because I think that, you know, in that phase in my life, when I was graduating, a lot of things were like, the course was very new for me, and I used to feel pressurized, and like, you know, everybody else had their own house, and you know, they can work on sheets, they can work all night and make models, and here I was working in auntie's house, and like, you were so understanding that, you know, I needed space, and I used to tell you, listen, aaj fan nahi on kare, mera sheets ud raha hai. And you would also like really understand, and I would try and finish my work before you came, so that, you know, I wouldn't have to keep the lights on and disturb you. So I like that, you know, after like everything, like, you know, things just being tough, we made it work. We made it work with auntie. I mean, come on, we survived that. So I think that yeah, there's a lot of good memories, and many more to make. Happy birthday, love you. And I know I'm really bad at expressing it, but I really do. Have fun, babes.
Hello, पहचान कौन? It's me. Happy birthday, Kritika. May you have the best day ever, and be the happy soul you always are. Keep spreading the love, keep spreading the joy, and well, just be who you are. I don't know, how old are you now? Are you that old? Are you old? We always have this discussion, isn't it? Anyways, you take care. I look forward to seeing you in Goa soon. Like, can't wait to meet you. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, so this is a work from home look, so ignore. But many happy returns of the day, Kritika. And we need to go to Goa soon. Let's plan your birthday. Goa birthday again. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kritika. Happy birthday to you. Lots of love and wishes. Kritika, have a good one.
Hey Kritika.
Wish you very happy birthday.
Have a great year ahead.
Let's all meet up soon.
And celebrate the Gemini birthdays.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Kritika. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.